But JV continues doing the video game out on spell beast. Ha 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 ha. Like I'm already coming back here, and yesterday kept him video game marathons. Then right now I did hear video game marathon. Yeah, it was all JB's fault. Someone in video game marathon will come back here after staycation. Pasay City, going to San Fernando City, and they're going to Bigan City, and they're Pagopod, and then going back to San Fernando City, and go to Baguio City. It's one of the best. Now na, cut off. Wow, mapawigo ka na stress. Makaon ka na stress medya pagkadto sa kitchen. Then, at 4, I will wait for the video game marathon to continue. And if JP doing this to them, I'm done. Also, mapopo ka na sa 4. So, nasa pag 5, ako na ang loud house na mag-summon pangota. So, wala na. Nag-start sa video game marathon, pero may lang active video game marathon dede sa purchase. Back of the house. So, magka-summon naman, mag-spread out, now the house, sari-sari store. Na naman nakaplay ko naman ang black screen that YouTube po. Swear, we have a video come out on here. JB will live. I mean, I will live. JB will just stay here summoning like video come out. Like I said, hana tuman daw sa may loud house. So yeah, I might just going to stay here. JB come out on this one. So, I mean, Super Typhoon Inda is here in the Philippines. So why not doing the video game marathon until the Super Typhoon just destroyed us? But enough with this laugh. Wala naman silence tapos video game marathon na nakatayo na ha. Oo. Mag-summon niyan. Desano naman mapaw-continue video game marathon sa Bakuda House na atan naman dito sa Puchi.